What's going on, guys? WhippWizards here. We're in the garage with Grey Dog. We are putting on the first 2018 mods on the G35. So in the last video you guys saw, it was the RAD and the oil cooler. Right now, he's just draining the coolant. As you guys can see, the plenum is off. The car, why'd you take the plenum off?
I want to polish it. It's right here.
So that's under there. So this is it right here.
And put a catch can. I gotta like connect all the lines up to this, so. Catch can was making it all fucking nasty on the inside.
Real dirty? All the blow by? Oh geez, yeah.
Because of the supercharger.
True. So he's gonna give that a polish, make it look nice. It'll really clean up the engine bay, give it that nice shiny look, match all the piping for the supercharger. And that's it. We're gonna get right to it, show you guys how it's done. Alright, so fans are out, right there. The RAD is out. The RAD was a bitch, so it's literally out, like outside, because the old RAD. Here she is, just chilling in the snow. Yeah, screw you. Just being a bitch. Yeah, Grey Dog was not happy with that.
The old RAD.
So part of the kit with the RAD came with
New silicone hoses.
There you go. So it came with the nice silicone hose.
Grassroots performance.
Shiny and black, G. There we go.
See?
New RAD's just chilling in the box, waiting for the install. So everything is pretty much ready. He's just gonna see if he can do the hoses before we put the RAD in. So there's the upper and the lower RAD hose. He's gonna try to get those in. And then from there, we're gonna get the RAD in and then see if we can get the fans in as well. All right, silicone hoses are in, top and bottom RAD hoses. There's the one, there's the second one, kind of just floating in there. It's gonna be tucked down there afterwards, but it's good for now. About to get that RAD in there. Just took it out of the box, looking fresh. Let's get her going. All right, so we forgot the rubber bushings on there, and Buddy's going out there. So let's see his little trek in the snow.
Oh, I'm gonna get covered.
Have fun. Might be able
Or I
to.
can go at that door, it might be smarter.
Might save you a couple inches of snow.
Yeah, I'm gonna go at the other door.
All right.
Look at the horses.
Where? Oh, no way. We got some horses in the distance.
Don't let Charles.
Yeah. That darn RAD. If you pass it to me, I can probably grab it. Oh, that works. Okay. There we go. Oh. Okay, so we need to grab the little, it's about a bushing about that big. It sticks underneath the RAD. If you look on the new RAD, you can see these little nubs right here. These guys right, that one right there. So on the old RAD, you can see there's a little rubber bushing on this one. So that's what we're gonna take off and put it on there, and then we're good to go. guys, so we run into our first real problem of the day. It kind of sucks because it's gonna slow us down a bit. I'll show you guys what's going on. So over here you can see that the RAD is in place, obviously. Now the problem is you have these posts are supposed to line up with, and then you have this top piece here that is gonna lock it actually in place. So it's gonna slip onto the post here, as you can see. It's gonna slide on and it's supposed to lock it in place right over here like that, so that it stays flush to the front here. But as you can see, if you pull this forward, that post does not line up, and on this side, that post does not line up. That is our problem. Right now, Grayson does not want to drill holes in the front here, obviously, because it's gonna look like it's hacked up and stuff. So the best thing for him to do in a situation like that, and it is what he's currently doing right now, is to message the guy who actually makes the parts. Not necessarily file a complaint, but maybe ask if anybody else has had the same problem and what they did to fix it, or anything along the lines of that. So hopefully we can get this problem resolved quickly and efficiently, and the sooner we get it figured out, the sooner the RAD can go in and the mods can get to work. So I'll let you guys know what's going on with that. Grayson's inside sending the email. We'll see what the guy says.